When you're planning a move, you'll come across a lot of paperwork. Understanding what each document means can help you avoid confusion and protect your rights as a customer. So let's break down the most common moving documents you'll see. First is the estimate. This outlines how much your move will cost. There are two main types, binding and non-binding. A binding estimate guarantees the total price based on the agreed services, while a non-binding one is just an approximation that can change depending on the final weight or services. Next is the bill of lading. This is the official contract between you and your mover. It lists all the details of your move, including pickup and delivery dates, charges, and the mover's responsibilities. You'll need to sign it before your belongings are loaded, and you should keep a copy for your records. You'll also get an order for service, which authorizes the mover to handle your shipment. It confirms the services you requested and the estimated charges. Finally, movers must give you your rights and responsibilities when you move booklet. This document explains your legal protections and what to do if something goes wrong. Reading and understanding these papers before signing anything ensures your move goes smoothly and without surprises. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com, and you can also email us at contactus@movers.com or call 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.